Hi guys, this is an unboxing and the first look at the 7artisans 26 centimeter long range macro. This is the 60mm f2.8 macro manual focus lens from 7artisans. They're boasting that it has a 1:1 magnification. So they have it in both Fuji X and Sony E mounts. And since I use a lot of Fujifilm cameras right here, I'm going to try out the one for the Fuji mount. So this Sony E mount, I'm not sure if it's for the full frame Sony E mount or for the crop censored ones. So set this aside for now. So let's get to the unboxing. First, let's look around. Okay, see what it says. Nothing useful. Doesn't say anything about the lens though. Okay, so I'm going to unbox the lens now. So this is your, I don't know what this is. Okay. So it's a quick like instruction guide. In the back it's Chinese, in the front it's English. So a minimum focusing distance of 26 centimeters means there will be more space for lighting. It's also saying that the super long focusing distance of 26 cm gives you a greater depth of field, especially useful when you're doing macro work, I guess. Really? So this says that when shooting subjects like insects, you can take off the front lens barrel to avoid disturbance. I didn't know about this. So I don't know if this is easy to take off or you need like special tools. So you can also do this. You can also submerge the front barrel in water, just the front barrel, not the entire lens. There will be diffraction problems when using f16 under 1:1 magnification. So again, you have to remember that this is a manual lens. You don't have electronic aperture control and you don't have autofocus on this lens. It does not have any contacts. Okay, putting this away. Next, you get this card, which I don't know what it is. Foam and lens itself. So this is the lens. They were saying that this entire thing is the lens hood. This is quite heavy. I think, I don't know, I don't have a weighing scale with me right now. So here you have your aperture ring right here. And then here your focusing distance scale. Then over here you have your smooth turning, oh, it pops out. Your smooth turning focusing wheel. On the focusing wheel, it also notes the magnification right there. So you have to take note that if you want one-to-one magnification, you have to use it at its closest focusing distance. Okay? If you move farther, the magnification reduces. 1:1.5, 1:2, 1:3, 1:4, 1:5, and infinity. Okay, so again, if you want 1:1 magnification, you have to use it at its closest focusing distance right there. So this is how long the barrel extends. This is it from the front. From the side, this is how it looks in the back. Metal mount right there. No electronic connections. So the focusing wheel, yeah, it turns smooth. very smooth. Aperture ring also turns very smoothly right there. And this is the front. This lens cap is a bit difficult to take off. Yeah, that was trash. Let's try taking this out. I assume. Oh, it does screw out. Okay, so it's easy to screw out. This is the front element itself. This is like a barrel, a lens hood of some sort. So if you do submerge it, you can submerge it until here, just here. You can't submerge this part right here. Okay, good to know. So let's see it when it's, yeah, when you don't have the barrel on and you put the lens back in, it looks like this. So, okay, that's a quick look at the 7artisans 60mm macro. Lens testing will come in the next video. I have to do some tests. I have to take some shots. And hopefully I get to borrow a full frame Sony camera so I can see whether the Sony version of this lens is a full frame lens or not. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one.